Yep, that's me, always looking for something. But let's get into this hair, okay? Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we just launched a new hair collection and it's called the hybrid collection. The wigs in this collection are going to be made up of hybrid braids or locks fused with hair bundles as tracks, and they just come together so beautifully to create a unique hairstyle that I'm sure you all are going to love. This is wig Yaya, and she's one of the hybrid braid wig in this collection. And with this wig you have the option of choosing to use human hair or a hair blend mix. That is, you can choose to use human hair bundles with your braids in front, or human hair blend bundles, which is a mix of human and synthetic hair. In this video, this wig was created with very good quality human hair blend bundles. They can be straightened with heat, is easy to maintain and comb through. Like you do. In the top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. To maintain this hair, you'll need some leave-in conditioner and hairspray to maintain the shine and luster, and I'll be leaving the description of the products necessary for this hair's maintenance in the caption below. And we also have it available in store, and this can be added to your order. Let's just get into the process of styling this hair. So this is a 3x6 lace closure. It's a bit wider than a 2x6 closure, and I prefer it to a 2x6 closure. And for me in particular, I'm not really a baby hairs type of girl anymore. I mean, if you're someone who really likes baby hairs, you might want to leave more of the baby hairs in place and style that. But for me, I just need a little bit of baby hair to do like a swoop, and to perfect that I just cut it to the side, because I prefer to style this hair as a side part, but I want you guys to see what it looks like as a center part, so I'll be doing that first before I style it in my desired preference. So to be honest, I was contemplating leaving it like this because I really liked the center part at the end of the day. I thought I wasn't gonna like it as much, but man, I feel like it looks really good. So if you're a center part girly, you can just decide to stop here and give it a little bit of straightening and you're good to go. But since I had already decided to do the side part, yeah, we're gonna turn into a side part now. Now this is more my jam. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Ignore me, please. I'm always looking for something. I don't even know what I was looking for, but yeah. Now this is the side swoop I was telling you all about. This is all the baby hair that I need. I don't know what you guys like about baby hair so much, but this is all I need. Okay, and now we're just gonna seal everything in with the elastic band and wait for it to marinate. If this band will allow me to be great, sharp, but yeah, you get what I mean. So you just seal it in and wait for about 5 more minutes, and then we're done.
Yeah, smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when.
Okay, so just to finish it off, I decided to straighten it. I'm trying to show you guys that my straightener is on. And this is human hair blend, but it can be straightened with heat. Okay, so it's okay to straighten with heat. All you need to do is to spray in some heat protectant as you would even if it were human hair, right? So you spray some heat protectant and you just straighten your hair. That's all you need to do. And that is the last step that I did to install this hair. So I also thought to mention that for my ladies who do not want it as a wig, who prefer to have the bundles installed on their hair with the braids and everything, we also have bundles available for sale. So you can also get the bundles and then just have them installed on your hair directly. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment section below, and I'm looking forward to your orders. I can't wait to see you guys wear this gorgeous unit and the other wigs in our hybrid collection. I can't wait for you guys to see everything we have in this hybrid collection. Alright, that will be it for me guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye.